What is the secret to personal fulfillment? How can we climb the ladder of spiritual growth and reveal the holiness we carry within? In this week's Parsha, the Tasher Rebbe discusses two complementary paths of achieving our ultimate goal of Kirvas Elokim. In a comment on the pasuk, Vayavei Avraham lispoid lisara v'livkoisa, and Avraham came to eulogize Sarah and to mourn her passing, the Zohar Kadosh teaches that Avraham symbolizes the soul, while Sarah represents the body. But in a different place, Chazal reveal that Sarah was actually on a greater level of prophecy than Avraham himself. So what does this mean that Sarah is associated with the body, a far lesser level than the soul? The tzaddik teaches that these two terms, body and soul, may themselves be seen as referring to the two headquarters of human experience: the mind, the seat of the intellect, and the heart, the seat of the emotions. Avraham represented the soul, the powers of consciousness, because his spiritual path was aseh tov, to douse his thoughts in deep studies of emunah and the mitzvahs of the Torah. In this way, his mind would be able to subjugate the negative desires of the heart, and both heart and mind could then be utilized to properly serve Hashem. On the other hand, the spiritual path of Sarah, who represents the body, the emotions, was sur meirah, to first toil to eradicate any impure passions or egotistical desires, so the mind could then serve as a ready vessel to receive the Torah. After presenting this lesson, the Tasher Rebbe writes, it's all very nice and easy to speak about, but the main thing is to actually put it into practice. He explains that this is why Hashem gifted our nation with the soul of the Baal Shem Tov and his students, not simply to teach some cute and creative interpretations of psukim and mamar chazal, but to teach us how to walk these two holy paths, how to clean out our hearts and minds and fill them with an all-encompassing desire for closeness to Hashem. Friends, may we merit to drink from the life-giving stream of the Baal Shem Tov's guidance, discovering the deepest, most relevant advice to help us overcome the Yetzer Hara and serve Hashem in the most authentic way. Wishing all of Am Yisrael a restful, elevated, and meaningful Shabbos.